bodies, welcome back to Homebody. I am Felisa, your host for today's video. In today's living room tour, I am using purple in different shades, as a matter of fact. And also this living room has a variety of mixing of the metals. So if I have anyone listening today, you will get some schooling on how you can mix metals in your home where it will flow smoothly across your room. Go ahead and give a detailed overview of this room. I know many of you have been following me for quite some time, but just in case I have some newbies or someone that's just stopping by, getting a special treat from Homebody, I'm going to give a detailed review in this video. And since I'm going to be talking about mixing metals, I'm going to start over on this side of the room. So over here on this side is a perfect example of how you can mix metals. So metals is different shapes, form, and fashion, and colors, and things like that. Whatever you see fit, you can call it mixing metals if it doesn't match. Speaking of not matching, my mirror, if you notice the shape of that mirror, the style of that mirror, I paired it with these beautiful vases, and they're actually gold. So this mirror is more so in the silver family. However, I purposely mixed it with gold. If you take a look at those vases, the vases pattern is going pretty much opposite or kind of maybe similar to the mirror, but nevertheless, it's matching. And the reason why it's matching is because I have the gold vases, I have that gold ball and jack set, and I have a gold lamp sitting across from it. As long as you have at least, I'm gonna say 3, but you probably can get away with mixing different colors if you have 2 of a color, but I wouldn't suggest just throwing in 1 pop of color in a space. I think that you should at least have a bare minimum of 2 of the colors. In this room, I have several mixtures of the gold, several mixtures of the silver, gray, and the clear glass, and of course white. So back over here, so I had my fireplace over here. I moved it over here for the fall and the winter, but I love my little accent mirrored cabinet. So I moved it back in for the spring and the summer, and it's fallen in place with the mirror. I think it's a perfect combination. Then I have the, oh, I didn't tell you guys where any of this came from. That mirror is from Z Gallery, as well as the vases and the ball and jack set. The accent cabinet is from At Home. This beautiful plant stand here is from CB2. The ginger jar at the bottom is from Home Goods. The plant that I have in the stand is from Ross. I'm going to pan on around to my accent tables. I have one on each side of my couch. And if you notice, these are from Homary. If you notice, the marble in this particular table is so pretty. I love the details of that marble. But when I go over to this one, it's a slight less of a marble. And you know, I know it's impossible to get the same marble in each particular item, but I love this one so much better. So if you're interested in checking out these end tables, I'll leave the link below to them. They're from Homary. I think you probably can also get them from Amazon, but I will leave the link. They are beautiful. They also come in black. I wasn't too much of a fan of the black. I returned the black and end up getting the white. So yes, in the little small gold vase here is actually from Hobby Lobby, and I stuck 2 purple tulips in there, and the tulips are from Amazon. I have all my tulips are from Amazon, and I will place a link below to the tulips. Now, mixing metals, here we go again. Now I'm back to the silver. And what's making me be able to mix these colors and metals is the wall art. So the wall art is from Home Goods. Take a look at it. It has the gold, the purple, the gray. You know, it has some little green in there as well. But the wall sconces are from Z Gallery. Every now and then you can get those wall sconces for $19.99 when they have them 40% off or whatever. My purple candles are from Hobby Lobby. The purple pillows and the purple and white pillows on the couch is from Z Gallery. These here are no longer available. I think the purple has been discontinued because I don't see it. If it is, I'll place a link below. I think they have a 20% off everything in the store as we speak. So whatever I have on this end table, I actually always match my end tables. That's a habit for me. So my drapes, my purple drapes, they are beautiful. These drapes are from Amazon, the sheer and the purple. I'll place the link below to those. The plants in here, I have a mixture. I have the smaller leaf plants are from Hobby Lobby, and these are from Z Gallery. And I buy all my plants when they're on sale, never pay regular price for any plants. The vase here, I have forgotten where this vase came from. I know where it came from, but I forgot the name of the place. I ordered it online. The accent table is from Z Gallery. My ombre throw is also from Z Gallery. And this beautiful pillow here is from Tuesday Morning, and I've had it for a few years. My accent chair, you can get it from Wayfair. I'll place a link below. Love that because it has the gold legs. Speaking of legs, my couch, I pulled the brown legs off of my couch and I added acrylic legs, and acrylic has a tad bit of gold in that. I will place a link below to that. If you want to upgrade your sofa, tired of your sofa, you want to make a big change to it, get you some acrylic legs. You're going to love it. So, the vases. The vases are actually, all these vases on here are from Z Gallery. These are called the tiara vases here. Then I have a little mini ellipse vase. If you didn't get one of those, you missed out because they haven't been in Z Gallery for a minute. My coffee table is from Z Gallery as well. And these, I got the tray and the coasters are from Home Goods. Okay, love. So my area rug, one of my favorite area rugs. All my area rugs are from Well Woven. Love me some Well Woven. I will link this area rug. And let me move up here. So my chandelier is from ET2 Lighting, but you can get your hands on this, I think, at Amazon. I will place a link to my my chandelier. It's actually called a pendant bracelet. I'm going to pan on around to my entryway. I don't have very much going on over here on my entryway. This chain link vase is from CB2. It was a gift from my daughter. And the tray that it's sitting on is actually from from Home Goods. The feathers are from Z Gallery. You can get your hands on these feathers right now. They're still at Z Gallery. This wall art here from Z Gallery. The plant that I have here is from Hobby Lobby. I have the bigger ellipse vase, some candle holders from Home Goods. And at the bottom, not much going on. I just have a couple of coffee table books and a tray with these little bunnies. These little bunnies are from, what is that? Bath and Body Works. I've had them for a couple of years, and I just have some purple rocks in this vase. I think these purple rocks are from Michaels. I hope that this video has inspired someone on how to mix metals. If you notice, I have a variety of gold, silver, and white, and purple in this space. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.